How to add Instagram music to a reel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, have you clicked a video and want to add it as a reel with Instagram music? Then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Open up the Instagram app, go to the plus option in the top left. You need to go to the reel section at the bottom and then tap on the reel that you want to upload. Hit next. And then from there you can see audio option. Just tap on it. Now you can choose from various audios here, or you can even search the audio of your choice and just tap on it and add it to your reel. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.